So what you can also do is you can go ahead and utilize script inside a Photopea to apply effects or do many tasks. For example, I have an image right here, and let's say I'm going to go around onto file, and then I'm going to go around over here onto script. It says alert hello Photopea. So if I were to run this, you can see that it says hello Photopea right here. But if I were to go around and type in TutorTube, then I can go ahead and run and it says hello TutorTube. You can also go around over here and then let's say, for example, utilize ChatGPT to generate text of the codes right here for the script that you can run in Photopea. So if you want to learn more about what you can do with ChatGPT, you can check my tutorial series on that as well. So now around over here, I'm going to give it a prompt saying, I have an image opened in Photopea, and Photopea, write a script so that grayscale effect is added on the open image right here. So if I were to go around and do that, then it says here's a script to add a grayscale effect to an image in Photopea using the script API. So you can see that it writes down the script right here just like this, that you can simply go ahead and copy right here just like this and paste it out around over here on the script. Then simply run it out and you can see that it added in a grayscale like effect. You can run it again and add more effect to it right here just like this. And that is how you can go around and add an effect or do something inside a Photopea by using script as well. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.